Top 10 Richest Jamaican Athletes. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place where you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. When it comes to Jamaican millionaires, there is little or no information about how much they earn. That's where Elite Jamaica comes to the rescue with new and updated lists about Jamaican millionaires and their earnings. Today, we look at sports legends. We will be counting down the richest Jamaican athletes and their net worth. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider doing so and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Number 10. Veronica Campbell Brown, track and field. Born May 15, 1982, she is a Jamaican track and field sprinter who specializes in the 100 and 200 meters. An 8-time medalist, she is the second female in history to win 2 consecutive Olympic 200-meter events, after Barbel Wackel of Germany at the 1976 and 1980 Olympics. Campbell Brown is one of only 9 athletes to win world championships at the youth, junior, and senior level of an athletic event. Her net worth is $2 million. Number 9. Johan Blake, track and field. Nicknamed the Beast, he was born December 26, 1989. He is a Jamaican sprinter of the 100 and 200 meter sprint races. He won gold in the 100 meter at the 2011 World Championships as the youngest 100 meter world champion ever, and a silver medal in the 2012 Olympic Games in London in the 100 and 200 meter races for the Jamaican team. His net worth is valued at US $2.5 million. Number 8. Shellian Fraser Price, track and field. Born in Kingston, Jamaica on December 27, 1986, she is a Jamaican track and field sprinter. She ascended to prominence in the 2008 Olympic Games when at 21 years old, the relatively unknown athlete became the first Caribbean female to win 100-meter gold at the Olympics. In 2012, she successfully defended her 100-meter title, becoming the 3rd female to win 2 consecutive 100-meter gold medals at the Olympics. After winning bronze at the 2016 Summer Olympics, she became the first woman in history to win 100-meter medals at 3 consecutive games. Her net worth is US $4 million. Number 7. Patrick Chung, NFL. Chung was born in Kingston, Jamaica on August 19, 1987. He has 4 brothers and 3 sisters. He lived in Jamaica until he was 10 before moving to California, where he attended Rancho Cucamonga High School in Rancho Cucamonga, California. He played football as a safety and wide receiver and was a 2-time All-League pick. He was drafted by the Patriots of the NFL. His net worth is US $4.2 million. Number 6. Nesta Carter, track and field. Born October 11, 1985, a Jamaican sprinter who specializes in the 100 meters event. Carter has been successful as part of the Jamaican 4x100 meters relay team, taking gold and setting successive world records at the 2011 World Championships and 2012 London Olympics. He also won a 4x100 meter silver medal at the 2007 World Championships. On August 11, 2013, Carter secured an individual 100 meter World Championship bronze medal in Moscow behind Justin Gatlin and teammate Usain Bolt. He followed this with another gold in the 4x100 meters relay. His net worth is valued at US $5.1 million. Number 5. Asafa Powell, track and field. Born November 23, 1982 in Spanish Town, Jamaica, he is a Jamaican sprinter who specializes in the 100 meters. He held the 100-meter world record between June 2005 and May 2008, with times of 9.77 and 9.74 seconds. Powell has consistently broken the 10-second barrier in competition, with his personal best of 9.72 seconds, ranking 4th on the all-time list of male 100-meter athletes. As of September 4, 2016, Powell has broken the 10-second barrier more times than anyone else. That's 97 times. He currently holds the world record for the 100-yard dash, with a time of 9.09 set on May 27, 2010, in Ostrava, Czech Republic. His net worth is valued at US $6.5 million. Number 4. Chris Gayle, cricketer. Born September 21, 1979 in Kingston, Jamaica, he is a and former captain who plays international cricket for the West Indies. Gayle captained the West Indies Test side from 2007 to 2010. Considered one of the greatest batsmen in limited overs cricket, Gayle has set and tumbled numerous records across all three formats of the game. He is widely acknowledged as the most destructive and greatest 2020 batsman in the history of the game. He is well known for hitting sixes very often. In 2012, he became the first player to hit a six off the first ball of a test match. His net worth is valued at US $15 million.
6-6 to end the over from Chris Gayle, 29 for none.
Number 3. The Honorable Usain St. Leo Bolt, track and field. Number 2. Raheem Sterling. 1. Patrick Ewing, NBA. Born on August 5, 1962 in Kingston, Jamaica, he is a Jamaican-American retired Hall of Fame basketball player and current head coach of the Georgetown Hoyas. He played most of his career with the NBA's New York Knicks as their starting center and played briefly with the Seattle Supersonics and the Orlando Magics. He went into the books of history as one of the finest shooting centers to play and retired as one of the best and a leader to the New York Knicks in almost every category. His net worth is valued at US $85 million. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you liked this video. If you did, please share it with a friend or a loved one. And remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. Until then, this is Alex. Bless.
Talk about speed out of the blocks.